Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Any other players that you guys are looking at, guys, to close off the week? For next week, probably.
Floyd,
Yes, brother.
do you only trade currencies?
Most of the time, I trade gold as a
Oh,
metal, but I don't like indices like your US
less.
30s and no.
Oh,
My
oh, I
emotion
get you.
can't handle it.
Oh, okay, bro.
Guys, it's always good to be truthful to yourself. You know that. I know my emotions.
Yeah, yeah.
This thing's move, bruh. Yo, I panic when it moves. So I've been trading for 4 years, literally going to 5 years. Now I've tried trading indices. If we can use the same strategy, it works. Because I mean, it's when
Yeah,
we look above
it's
135,000 here, we can see on US 30 price is moving in an uptrend because we got new highs. So I'm expecting us to maybe stop. Okay, that's if we're creating new highs by 137,500, but that is way too far. So I obviously have to look at the market for what it is now. We have to maybe target this next key level, which is 35,500 was the next strong key level we have. We might get a retest here. We get a bullish or bearish engulfing in the smaller time frame. See like what price is doing now, stopping around, and then boom, a big candle up. I'm buying to the next key level. That's just my thing. But I don't usually trade indices, guys, because those things move.
German 32 is good.
Mm-hmm. And one thing as well that I know most of the people that trade indices
Yeah.
understand. And and what you guys see most of the time, they show you guys what you want to see. You guys understand?
Yeah.
All day.
Yeah. Do you guys understand? They show you guys
Yeah.
what you guys want to see. They show you guys the blue barcoding of everything. You know how many times the market does not go their way, but they don't show that. So I don't think I can apply my risk management when it comes to this indices. And by the way, it's not for my personality. But if you want to apply it, you can apply it. Any other one? Which pairs are you looking at?
GBP OZ AUD. GBP AUD.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Top tier shit. Top tier shit. There we go. It's already done. Should I explain it? I think we did it yesterday. I did it with the first group. I think it was Yonde and Bo and what Nelly Siwe. We did GA yesterday, but let's just do it again. So GA, since we're closing the week, I'd always look at the bigger time frame. You see, weekly chart for the past 4 weeks has been giving us bearish momentum. I'm done. I just looked at that. That's all that matters to me. Price is trading at 185. Flat on the dots. Boom, 185. That's a main key level, bro. I'd obviously look at the last time your price stopped at. I'd look at 187,500 because I know that's my main key level. Just in case we go above, I know we'd approach that level there. Last time price stop is here, and the last time is here. If we go below 185, I would look at the target to be 182,500, which we can see the last time stop there exactly. Can you see price stop there exactly on 182,500?
Yeah.
So I wouldn't pull my
82,500.
I wouldn't pull my line all the way back, but for your sake, I'll do that. Because me, I like charts neat. I'll just leave it there. But anyway, for your sake, I'll do that. I'd look at the type of trends that the market is moving in, which we can all see. I feel like you guys are already on the advanced side of things now. Because you can, While I'm analyzing, you can already see where I'm going to. Get a bounce of that with my eclipse. Boom. Out of plus
Floyd.
from here to the downside.
That's right.
Yes.
Is it safe to put the trend line on a body or in a wicks there?
I like it on my wings.
Okay.
Yeah. But like I said, guys, you guys need to understand the trend line is not, it's not the holy grail, eh? Because see here, I want to tell you guys something. Can you guys see the type of trend we had here? It was an uptrend, right?
Yeah.
Price broke the trend line but still gave me a higher low
Yeah.
than this one. So trend line is not everything. That's why the tips, remember the tips we did? I said use it where it's possible. So on GA, I'll go into my 2-hour time frame just to have a look at maybe for the fact that market decided to go above this mini trend line and we went above that. I would expect the market to maybe go back up, bounce of this trend line somewhere around here. And then I could easily take that. Let's say, for example, market does this. I'm not saying the market is going to do that exactly. The market goes up, bounce here, bounce there. What I'd look at is the trend line from here going to that point. Do you guys understand? If the market breaks it, then I'll sell it. I wouldn't sell it to here, I would sell it to here because that was the last low. Does that make sense to you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm expecting GA maybe to go up from Monday, Tuesday, but during the week, eventually, I think we're gonna be falling because look how we broke below this 85,000, 86,000 key level. We didn't even retest it. I mean, we didn't even retest. We just flew down. So, I think if we go back and retest it, my heart will be at ease if the market does that. So in this case, what I would do, I'd simply put an alert over here when the market gets back and retest, and I'd put another alert over here, just in case the market breaks below and go lower. I'll tell it from there if it's possible to that point.